This is tutorial 1-8 and it follows right after 1-7. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to label features. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to zoom into Florida. So you go to your bookmarks and zoom to Florida. That should have been done in an earlier tutorial. And we're going to right click on US cities and we are going to go to properties. And in the labels tab we are going to select that and we're going to make sure that area name is selected. If not, you just open up this and find it. With that done, you just click OK. Then we're going to right click on US cities and we are going to label features. And as you can see, they are now labeled. To turn them off, you just right click and label features again, but we're going to leave them on. Now what we're going to do is we are going to right click on US cities again and convert labels to a notation. And what we're going to do in the map, we don't want to do it in the database because it would change it the way that it appeared in table of contents or in the attribute table, which we don't want to do. We just want to do it how it is shown on the map. And we want the features in the current extent. That just means the ones that we can see. If we had them selected, we could choose this feature over here, or you can change all of them if you want. So once that's done, just click convert. And now what we can do, you want to come up here and make sure that the select elements tool is active and just click on Miami and you can now move it. And if you want, you could actually go in and change the text. You can change the name if you want. You can click on symbol. You can change the color, the font, the size, whether it's bold or not. It's all up to you, so feel free to go in there and experiment with that. But in this, they just want you to click on the cities and make sure that they are in the state of Florida. With that done, that you're all set. That's how you label features in this tutorial. There is also another way that the book does not talk about right now. If you right click on here, we're going to turn off as you can see by turning them into annotations, they were all pretty much made into text boxes. By labeling again, they've reappeared. So we're going to go to, for the purpose of this, I'm going to zoom into another area so it's not as confusing. Colorado. So we're going to turn off labels. If we double click or go to right click and go to properties, it's the same way. You can click this box up here and it will label the features. So that's another way to label features.